So today in this VBA class, we have discussed about the seat handling, range handling. How can handle your range? How can handle your range? Okay.
Okay.
In the Excel, I have told you in the Excel have a four modules, the four object, the first range, first application, third workbook, third seeds, and fourth range. So we have discussing the fourth range. So first know about
Okay.
how can we are discussing the first the
Uh,
application, second the
okay.
workbook,
Book.
workbooks. Sorry, spelling mistake. Workbooks, and third sheets, and fourth
Sheet.
range. So application we have skipped
Okay.
because this is the
Yeah. Right.
we have discussed in the future classes when you know about better know about the VBA programming. So we are
Okay.
discussing the workbook also and also do the project, also seed, also do the project in the seed. Now we discussing the range. Okay.
Yes.
First, how
Okay.
can go to any range? Just like I want to click the D1, I want to click the A1. So how can click any range? So we have the three way.
Okay.
First, range and put here the address range A1. Range A1 dot select.
Okay.
Okay, range A1 dot select. You have put here any address here B1, C1, D1, F1, G1, any type. And second, we also go through the R1 C1, row index and column index. It's like one row and one column. One row, one column. Dot select.
Okay.
So if I want to see four, it means three column and four row. So we have put here four column and four row and three column. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the your based on your address. And this is the your R1 student style. Now, if अब यहाँ अब यहाँ अब यहाँ पे क्या है एक और आता है एक्टिव शेल क्या होता है एक्टिव शेल एक्टिव शेल जस्ट लाइक एक्टिव वर्कबुक active sheets just like active shell which shell have activated cursor okay but
Okay.
in this range we have another selection okay selection it
Okay.
means select your range your selected area called the selection your active cell activated cell is the active cell okay
Okay.
now how can navigate your range just like I want to click the A1 on C2 okay so first you have right
Okay.
go to the sheets the sheet 2 use the sheet calling method and select. So first go to the sheet 2. Then you have put here range A1 dot select A1 dot select. Okay. So it means active
Okay.
in the active workbook, go to the sheet 2 and click on the sheet 1. But I have the
Okay.
also another book one, book two. So I want to go to the book two, sheet two, and click the A2. Okay. So then we have need write here code work books and write the book one book book two sorry book two dot xlsx and activate. Okay. So
Okay.
first activate your your file, your workbook, then activate your sheets, then activate your range. Activate your
Great.
range. It is clear?
Yes.
Any problem, sir?
First, which? then sheet, then range.
Yeah, right.
Okay, got it.
This is the bay. This is the bay or selection. Now,
Okay.
how can select the area? How can select the area? And how can type anything in the cell? So we have discussed the two concept here. First, how can select the area? Okay. So
Okay.
put here range A1 to G15, just like the Excel formula. Okay. Dot
Okay.
select range A1 to G15. I have another way also. Range A1 is the starting point and ending point is the G15. You can write also. This method
Okay.
called the Excel method, or this method called the VBA method. Okay. So this is the start and this is the end. So with range A15, select the data like that. Okay.
Okay.
And with range A1 to G15, we have separate both with comma. So that time, click the first A1 and use the shift key and go to the last cell. Okay. Any problem?
No, no, understood.
Now I want to select the entire data. So we have used the method range A1 dot entire, sorry, current region dot select. Current region dot select. Current region dot select. Okay. It means just click the A1 and press the Control A. Also, we have used the here sheet 2 dot used range dot select. Use range dot select. You can also select the all used data. So with first column, we have a problem. If in your sheet have a some blank cell, so that time your code select only for above of the your blank cell, blank row.
Okay.
Because current region select the continuous data. Select the continuous data. Okay. But your with your current use cell C2 dot use cell dot select the all used range. Select the all used range. It is clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay,
So
current region and used range, what is the difference?
current region select the only for continuous data. If any
Okay.
any blank row and blank column in your data, select the
Okay.
only for above of the blank row and blank of the column there. You can see it.
Oh,
Okay. So if in the data have a one continuous blank row, so it means select your data above of your blank row.
okay.
And use range, select your the all used range. All used
Okay.
range.
In the sheet. Big sheet.
Yeah. So use range, the member of the sheets, not a range. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Is clear? And tomorrow, Monday, we have discussed the selection method in the detail. Okay. Now just
Okay.
learn enough. Today the selection method is enough because selection method is the big topic and very important topic. When you want to do the automate your data, automate your reports, need to select your the data, select the all data for the making any of the reports. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So now we have discussing about the how can type anything type in the range. Okay. How can type
Okay.
anything in range. So I want to type in the A1. So we have right here range A1 dot value. Value equal to just like name. Okay. But
Okay.
I want to type the data in the sheet 3. So we have right here sheet 3 dot. So you can see it. Okay. So we have
Okay.
write the directly sheet 3 range even dot value. But when you want to select, so you want to select first, write the first line the seed dot select, second write for the A1 dot select. But here you have write directly because the select is the method. Select is the method, and value is the property. Value is the property. So you have write the property you can directly, but method one by one. One method, one line. Okay.
Okay.
Now we have write also work books. Right here book 2 dot xlsx and write the data. Okay.
So book two is the file name, right?
Yeah, but
Book
we
two is
file
the
name.
file name.
Right, file name.
Okay. Sheet three is the sheet name. Okay.
Yeah.
And range.
Yeah, range it means sales.
Got
Every workbook it means your file. Sheets means your data sheet, and range it means
okay.
your A1, B1, C1.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
it's clear.
Yeah, clear.
Now, now discuss about the typing range data. So we have typed here range A1 dot value equal to name. We can also type here range C1, B1, sorry, B1. No need to give the dot value. You can directly that equal the city.
Okay.
Okay. And also
So,
range
yes.
C1 right, you write directly dot form. So no any change. Okay. No any effect, change the effect, any effect. You write the dot value, not value, dot formula, no any change. But I want to
Okay.
put the value, another cell value to another cell value. There's I want to put the D1 value in the A1. So that time, so receiver is the A1, receiver is the A1. So you have write
Yeah.
the dot value, dot formula, no effect. But giver is the D1. So in the D1 have an effect. So if you write the D1 dot value, it means 50 coming here, 50 coming here. If
Okay.
in the D1 have
Okay.
a formula just like 30 plus 20, in the D1 have a formula, but just 50 type here. But if write here dot formula, dot formula, okay, dot formula, it means your formula will be copied and right type here. Okay.
Okay.
So your receiver is not effect. You have writing the dot value, dot formula, but your giver cell will be affected. If you write the formula, formula will be coming. If you write the value, value will be coming.
Okay.
Okay, it's clear.
Okay. Yes. Good.
And now we have typed the some value. I want to apply her formula, just like some formula. Okay, so you can write you can also write the any formula like a Excel. Just like uh, A7 dot value equal to, in the inverted comma, equal sum A1 to A6. Okay. So this text type here. In the text have equals, automatically your Excel consider the formula and give the result.
Okay.
Okay. So today in this class we have discussed what is the calling method. We have select the cell with A1 dot select with R1 C1 dot select. What is the active cell? What is the selection? Okay. Now, how
Yes.
can navigate your cells if you are, if you have the, we want to select the only for the current sheet, current active workbook, active sheet cell one, you can write just only for one. Active workbook but sheet two, write the sheet two dot A1. But particular file to particular sheet to particular cell, write the both this method. Okay. How can select your range? Select with the Excel method, select the VBA method. Also select with the current region, it means Control A. And also you select your used cell. How can type your value?
Okay.
You want to type the any value with a particular sheet to particular file, particular range, you write it directly. And you can also type the normally value, city, formula like that. And how can load the another cell value to another one cell value to another cell value, and how can write the Excel formula in the any cell value. Okay, it's clear. Okay. So before the next learning you have practice on this, right? Because
Okay.
next class we have discussed the selection method. Selection method is a very big topic and a very important topic.
Okay.
After today tomorrow class you have used the selection method in the every class. So first practice on this,
Okay.
then we